Okay. Hi people, what group are you guys?
Huh?
What kind of group are you kids?
We're a high school band.
A what?
High school band.
High school band. Were you in this protest march or just kind of in the area?
We're just kind of in the area.
Well, you're at the right spot.
Yeah.
A lot of young people, that's good. A little exposure to protesting for our Constitution and anti-war. Yeah, that's good. Because a lot of people aren't really paying attention, and here you guys all are for another excursion, but you're getting some good education, and we're in some hard times. I had it easy when I was your age. There was no war going on, watch TV, no computer, no games like you all got. But yeah, my cousin committed suicide over in Iraq, and I come from Portland, Oregon. I'm filming, and the corporate media is not very much around, you know, the big news station, so I got me a $100 camera and I'm out filming. And doc, huh?
Easy enough, right?
Yeah, and I'm going by Joe Anybody, so if you Google Joe Anybody, I'm just an average Joe Anybody. Real name's Mike, but I'm really anti-war and I feel bad about my cousin.
Yeah.
And he's the highest ranking officer in Iraq, and he was really discouraged when he started seeing what was going on.
Yeah.
And it's sad, but I don't recommend doing that, but I'm out now trying to just carry his message, and I seen a bunch of young people, you had shirts, and I was curious who you were. Or what school or
Green
city?
County Tech. We're from Arkansas.
Arkansas?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, cool. Well, good to see you all here. It's nice. Okay. You bet.
No, you have perfect. Yeah, well.
Bye, Joe.
See you, Joe. Joe. Hey, man.